everyone, this is Beena, assistant professor from MBA department. So today, I'm going to share you one of the important functions in the Microsoft Excel. So in my earlier videos, I have shared you the financial, how to calculate the financial functions and how to calculate the data-driven function. That is what the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions. And today in this video, we are going to look into one of the other important functions of what of analysis and how to do the data driven decision making using this masters in Excel. So that is why we are going to look into in this video, we are going to look into how to master in Excel for data driven decision making. So Excel stands as a global standard for data analysis, empowering over 750 million users worldwide. So this is in this video we are going to look into how to use the what if analysis, pivot tables, and the analysis tool pack. So how to unlock the deeper insights from your raw data and make more informed decisions. Nowadays, we will be involving in the extracting the major outcome from a data. So how to get the major outcome from the data and how to take the decisions based on their data. That is how this Excel plays an important role in influencing the decision. So that is how we are going to look into the further slides. So what is what if analysis? So we have three options which is going in the what if analysis. One is scenario manager, another one is goal seek, and one more thing is there which is being used to calculate the you can calculate the various rate of based on the various rate of interest in the number of years, how to calculate the EMI. That will be coming under the data table option. So in this we are going to look into major 2 points. What is the scenario manager and the what is the goal seek? To begin with the scenario manager, so what is that is all about? It compares the outcomes from the multiple inputs. Let's say for example, if you want to know, examine the profit under pessimist, that is the low sale base, and the optimistic, that is the high sales forecast. So to compare these outcomes, you can use this goal seek formula. So find the input needed for the target output. Say for example, the sales volume for the for $1, so how much will be the net profit? So this will streamlines the target driven planning. So if you want to fix up a target, which factors can be changed so that in order to reach your target, so that can be compared, and based on that the outcome can be changed. So that is all about the scenario manager. So you can just go to the Microsoft Excel. You can just go with the option scenario manager, and you can just create a simple model. You can determine the revenue, how far the units are sold, the price, and you can input all those details and you can do a comparison. And next comes the point, the what if analysis, the goal seek. So the name itself, it implies that the goal seek. So determine the input value needed for a specific target output. Say for instance, calculate the exact sales volume to achieve the net profits. This also it is also a target driven decision making. So if you want to know, if you want to go with the goal, you need to if you want to get an outcome with a proper goal, you need to go for this goal seek method, so that you based on that you can change the input whatever you want to get. So next comes the data table. So the data tables are, it is like one variable and two variable. We can work with, if you want to analyze the loan payments for particular previous various years, you can go with the one variable component. If you want to go with a comparison of two variables, say for example, how much the AMI amount will be there for the number of years and how much will be the rate of interest. So when you have a comparison between, you can go with the two variables. The data tables analyze how one or two variable impacts results instantly, visualizing hundreds of potential outcomes. So this saves times and provides comprehensive insights into market dynamics. So whenever you want to know, compare the rate of interest and the number of years, and you want to calculate the EMI for the various rates of interest in the number of years, you can use the two variable method, and based on that you can take a decision, so which EMI can be proceed with further. So that kind of data driven decision making can be done using this what if analysis, the scenario manager, the goal seek, and the data table. And next comes the pivot table, which is the how to summarize the data and explore the data. So you, when you have a big data, you want to summarize the outcome from that data. So that is what this pivot table is being used. So say for example, if you have a mark sheet of all the students, or how much students have been passed, how much students have been passed in which are all the subjects, or what is the first mark. So all that summarize and exploring the data can be done using this pivot table. So that is the purpose of having the pivot tables: quickly aggregate and summarize the large data sets effectively, and creation indulge drag and drop interface for field makes it very easy. So what are all the fields, if you want to have it, you can have it using the drag and drop interface, so that you, what are all the fields you are required to do the analysis, you can select by your own. Say for example, analyze 50,000 sales transaction by region and product. If you have sales been done in particular region for a particular product, you can done like using that big analysis data, you can explore like what are all the outcomes can be done based on the inputted data, so based on the pivot table. So that is what we are nowadays using this pivot tables in advanced capabilities, so that interactive filtering or dynamic reports can be done using this pivot tables, creating customer metrics like profit margins and aggregate data, that is how much quotas, years or numerical ranges can be determined. So these features enable dynamic dashboards and rapid report updates. So they empowers users to build highly interactive and insight data summaries and unlock new dimension of analysis. So everyone knows that there is a lot number of options are there in the Microsoft Excel. You can use a big data, you can extract the data, and you can do what are all the analysis you want. The only thing is that we need to excel, like what are all the formulas can be implemented in what, like in what requirement it can be implemented. So based on that, we can get an excellent results or the excellent outcome from this Microsoft Excel. So thank you for watching this video, and meet you in my next video. Thank you.